Powerful way to use Chipp is to actually sell access to your GPT. To do this, you can go into the Sell tab. You can give users free trial. So every question is 1 credit. So this would give them 100 free questions. Then you connect your Stripe account, and then you can create packages. You can create packages for pay as you go. So every time they run out of credits, they'd have to buy a new one, or a subscription, which would be a monthly price for unlimited package. You can name those and price them. They'll show up here on your dashboard, and you can just rearrange them by grabbing these dots and moving them around. It's really easy to create these. Now, once you have them set up, how do you actually launch this? Well, there's a lot of different ways to do this, but what we found is some of the ways don't work very well. So we want to show you the best way to use or to sell a GPT. I'm going to use an example of the Experience Institute. They're a great, kind of customer who has built an experience, using their own words, for introducing the tool before driving to the sale. Because one of the issues, if you want to sell your Chipp Chat, is you have to have someone log in, because that keeps track of how many credits they have left. If the first thing they see is a login screen, most people won't sign up. So what we're seeing is the best users will first have an experience like this, where they introduce the AI tool. In this case, they're introducing their Chipp Chat called Zeze. They explain what it's for. They kind of tell people at the prototypes, there might be some quirks, and then they give a big link to go sign in. So when you click Zeze, it's going to then go to that sign up. And one of the things here to see is that this is now running on their Chipp page. So instead of moving the Chipp Chat embedded into their website, it goes to the website that they've created. Now, to get it to live on a website like this, you're going to need to have a pro account. And with the pro account, you can go into settings and create a subdomain. So there's instructions here on how to do that. But the short version is you would create a subdomain such as like chat.scottmeyer.com. You'd put chat.scottmeyer.com in here after you've updated your DNS, and then you click update. Then you could have it look like Zeze. So when they click, they're actually going to your page. It is a Chipp page, but it looks like your website, right? If you use the embed code and put it onto your website, what we're finding is that it doesn't work for selling, both because they can't log in right away and because of issues with cookies. So the easiest solution is build this experience page first, drive them to your tool, and then they'll sign up and it'll start tracking their usage. So once it's live, what you'll see is something like this. Let's see if I turn on the sales. Let's see, new package. Yep. I'll click on this and make sure on build, you do 2 things then. First, you turn on monetization and user sign up. I'll turn on user sign up and monetization. I have to go back and update this, but then that will add this section to your website where it'll show the user credits. They can see their user history. And when they click buy credits, it'll then take them to the page that you just paid. All of this can be edited from your sell tab, right? So the packages I make will show up here. That's the best way to get started selling ChatGPT, is with the welcome page, driving to your Chipp Chat. Make sure you have the monetization user sign up set up, and then you'll be good to go. So hopefully that helps you get started selling your Chipp Chat. We can't wait to see what you build and what you sell.